Hey everyone. Um, my voice is gone. You can hear it a lot more now, but my voice is gone. I got called into work this morning and I didn't want to go because I can't talk and my brain was hurting and now it's just hurting again. Um, yeah. Sonia, I never call it Magic the Gathering. I always call it Magic. I think Magic the Gathering stemmed from you asking what kind of magic we were doing or if we were doing like a magic trick or something. And then Allie said, no, Magic the Gathering, to clarify. But we don't ever call it that in normal conversation. Um, yeah. Kathleen, um, I finished Green Rider. That was really good. It's not my normal read, but that was pretty good. And I'm starting the second one. The Forgive my sick brain. It's the Rider's Call, First Rider's Call, something like that. And I haven't gone very far in that, but I'm sure it'll be good. There's two more after this one, right? I think so. Um, I bought a new purse, and I thought you guys might like to see it. You can't see anything on this stupid couch. There we go. You can't see that either. Balls. Here, we have light background. So it's just a black pleather. It's got a little thing here. Zippered front. It's got my hulls in it currently. Buttons. It's got different pockets. This one looks like it holds pencils, so I don't know if they were like, Riley, you have to buy this purse. But that's totally what it is. And then inside it's just plain with one zipper and two pocket thingies here. But I bought this one because I wanted one with a long strap, because I'm tired of trying to carry my purse and my shopping at the same time. And I wanted something a little nicer but still functional. All my fabric ones tend to break on me. So yeah. Earlier I was planning my magic, or my sick mind, discombobulated. What does combobulated mean then, if discombobulated is bad? I was planning out the map for my Pathfinder game. In Pathfinder, for those of you who don't know, you move around a board that's marked out with either squares or like a honeycomb, hexagons, whatever, honeycombed. I go with squares, and you move around, and you fight bad guys, and you go through the story that your game master, which is what I'm going to be shortly, plans out for you. I'm going to show you guys the words, Riley. I'm going to show you guys the do-things that everyone gets to have, because I think it's easier for everyone to have a do-a-thing to keep things organized. I'm just going to show you. I'm going to show you Allie's because she's got the most stuff in hers. So she got green. So on the front, this is your character sheet. This tells you, your strength, your dexterity, constitution, intelligence, wisdom, and charisma. Allie chose to be the alchemist, which is really cool. Not that wasn't. Ugh, oh my god. Not that wasn't sort of expected. I'm just kidding. You get to have. I made these little cards myself. They're in magic holders. You can brew potions, have mutagens. So, with mutagens, if you have, you add more strength, but you lose some stuff. You also It's kind of like a Dr. Jekyll, Mr. Hyde thing. I made a cheat sheet and a tracker for your health and your ammo and spells. And so there's like extra pages in here if you get more stuff. I'm going to give people if they get special items, stuff like that. And then blank paper at the back to write down anything that your character remembers. Because if you're in a campaign in 6 months in real time, it could only be a week in game time. And honestly, your character is not going to forget something that they learned about 3 days ago, which could be, you know, like 3 months in our time. God only knows. So I don't think that's fair that if you don't know it, your character doesn't know it, because your character's not a derp, okay? So I'm not going to be mean and do that. And my dog wants in, so I'm going to let her in. Kino. Kino. I'm surprised you can hear my voice. Hey, puppy. You're on Nameless Nerds, sort of. Now we can see you. Come here. Come sit. Can you sit? Kino, look at me. Oh, good girl. Good sit. Kino just got surgery done. I don't know if you can see it on here, but it's on this side of her face. Oh, good girl. Right there, stitches. Because she had a tumor. But she's a happy girl now. Yeah. I don't really know what else to talk about, except for the fact that auditions are over. So, congratulations. You managed to get in. I'm just gonna find you so I can, like, show you the actual video. Oh my god, it's loud. Grapholocity. I can't pronounce that. How am I supposed to pronounce Graphicolocity? I'm sick. Leave me alone. Anyways, you win. Congratulations. I'm talking to the Black Mage. Oh, everything's funny when you're sick. I swear to God. Okay. Congratulations. You made it to Nameless Nerds. We will be sending you the login. And yeah, I'm sure the rest of the Nameless Nerds will think of a easy challenge for you, just to give you something to do for your first video and kind of settle in. But if not, feel free to talk about, you know, your week or what you want to do on the weekend type thing, and welcome aboard. Sorry that my voice is so crappy, but this is actually the best that it's been all day. Earlier I was at Pip's house, and it sounded like this. My dog's looking at me weird. She has the decency to look away now, though. Okay. See you all later.